Hey guys, it's Heather with Living Well Realty, and today we're in Trinity Falls checking on a client's build job. It's with Highland Homes. It is the Berkley floor plan, one of the townhomes. It is a 3-bed, 2.5 bath. It's 1,800 square feet. As you can see behind me, there's a lot that's going on, so she's super excited about the progress. But we're going to go ahead and show you the model so you can see what the finished product looks like. Let's go take a look. Hey guys, now we're in front of the Berkley model. It's one of the patio models, so let's go in and take a look. This is what the finished product's gonna look like.